Does your car smell funky and look just as bad inside? Let me show y'all how to fix that fast. Hey, I'm John with Guardian Auto Detail, a Phoenix E.O.D brand ambassador and a pro detailer for over 20 years. Today we're using Typhon interior cleaner and odor neutralizer to rescue this interior. Typhon is a powerful interior cleaner and deodorizer. It's scent-free, has no harsh chemicals or dyes, and is safe on most wettable surfaces like fabric, vinyl, and most leather. First, shake Typhon well. For normal dirt, I'm using it at a 1 to 10 dilution. 1 part Typhon, 10 parts water. Lightly mist the surface, let sit a few seconds so foam can lift grime. Then, wipe with a clean microfiber. No residue left behind. On plastics and the dash, I spray the towel so I don't soak switches. Typhon lifts dust, sunscreen, and spills off plastic and vinyl. No greasy shine. Now for the real test, stains on fabric and carpets. Use 1 to 10 mix for light dirt. For tough stains, use Typhon straight. Spray, dwell, agitate. Foam penetrates fibers, removes oils, prevents resoiling, and kills odors. Look at that. Clean, fresh, and no fake perfume. That's Phoenix E.O.D Typhon doing its thing. Grab a bottle at phoenixeod.com, and if this helped, hit subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series.